Hi, my name is Fani Wijaya. I will explain the function of the system.
Operating system function. In general, the operating system is software in the first layer that is placed in computer memory when the computer boots. Meanwhile, other software is run after operating system runs, and the operating system will perform core service for that software. Before there were operating system, computer only used analog signal system and digital signal. Along with the development of science and technology, currently there are various operating systems with their respective advantage. The operating system has systematic scheduling, including calculating memory usage, data processing, data storage, and other resource. Example of modern operating system are Linux, Android, iOS, Mac OS X, and Microsoft Word, Windows. Number 1. Computer Resource Management. The operating system can regulate the time an application runs, device CPU usage when application runs simultaneously, provide this access, and so on. Number 2. Acts as a basic application for a device. The operating system is the basis for creating program on a device. You could say this is a vital part that regulates all the things needed to carry out the function of a device. Number 3. Connecting hardware. The operating system plays a role in coordinating all devices connected to the gadget at the same time, such as internal storage, mouse, speaker, and CPU. In this case, the operating system acts as a bridge that connects hardware with software. It will then in turn perform basic computer operation. Number 4. Optimizing the function of a device. The operating system is able to optimize the performance of hardware and software. The system regulates and controls the relationship between hardware and software so that they can work together well. Number 5. Setting the device working system. The operating system regulates and controls all hardware function used, starting from the CPU, hard disk, memory, and so on. Of course, with an operating system, all devices can synergize with each other and form a unity to maximize the function of a device. Types of computer operating system. There are several types of computer operating system that are quite well known. The following are several types of operating system that run on computer. Number 1. Standalone operating system. The standalone operating system can be used by single users or multi-user. This operating system also has quite complete features and can stand alone. Example of standalone operating system are Microsoft, Linux, and Mac OS. Number 2. Live CD operating system. Live CD only requires a CD on DVD-ROM device without the need to install it permanently on the computer to run it. This operating system is very light because its size is quite small, but the live CD operating system does not have many features compared to the standalone operating system. This is an example of live CD operating system, namely Knopping, CentOS, Linux Mint, WinXP Live CD, and other. Number 3. Embedded operating system. This system is directly embedded in the computer and cannot stand alone. It has special function and special specification. Example of embedded operating system are ECOS, Line OS, Jeff OS, and embedded Linux. Number 4. Network operating system. This type of operating system was created specifically to handle computer networking needs. Some services that can be handled by a network operating system are HTTP service, DNS service, printer sharing, proxy server, and many more. Some examples of network operating system are Red Hat, CentOS, Server, Cloud Linux, and so on. Hopefully this information about operating system is useful, including the definition, function, and type of operating system. Waiting for other interesting information, BSI today will provide other information. Operating system bring great benefit to computer software and software development. Without an operating system, its application would have to include its own UI, as well as the comprehensive code need to handle all the low-level functionality of the underlying computer, such as the storage, network interface, and so on. Given the large amount of basic hardware available, this would increase the size of each application and make software development impractical. Instead, many common tasks, such as sending network packets or displaying text on a standard output device, such as a display, can be offloaded to system software that serves as an intermediary between the application and the hardware. System software provides a consistent and repeatable way for application to interact with hardware without the application needing to know any details about the hardware. As long as each application accesses the same resource and survives in the same way, the system software, the operating system, can serve almost any number of applications. This greatly reduces the amount of time and coding required to develop and debug application, while ensuring that user can control, configure, and manage system hardware through a common well-understood interface.